Gasoline prices looking a little better and better these days. The ethanol blend is now selling for about $2.85 in the metro. But how about filling up for less than $1 a gallon? That's what drivers can pay with a car that's converted to run on compressed natural gas.
It's not only cheaper, it's also better for the environment, releasing fewer greenhouse gases. KCCI's Elizabeth Kling shows us how it works, new at 5.
Popping the hood on this huge Ford Super Duty, it isn't the size of the engine that Ron Haugen is excited to show us.
We have an additional computer here that runs the natural gas system.
The truck was just converted to run on compressed natural gas. Look closely and you'll see the small computer, a special regulator, and an extra set of fuel injectors to inject the natural gas from a tank installed in the back of the truck.
It's probably the most exciting thing that I've seen in the auto repair industry since I began in 1982.
That's why Haugen traveled all the way to Italy this year to learn how to convert vehicles like this at his Central Iowa shop.
We leave them what's called dual fuel, which means the vehicle can use either gasoline or natural gas.
With the push of a button, the system allows you to switch between using gasoline and natural gas. But if you run out of either fuel, it will automatically switch for you.
And you won't believe the price to fill up right from a pump hooked to the gas line outside.
Initially, people think you're pulling their leg when you tell them that you can fuel your vehicle for 82 cents a gallon.
There is an initial investment, of course. Conversions start at $6,500 here, but once it's complete,
the vehicles actually run the same, and some of the feedback we're getting is they actually run better on the compressed natural gas.
In Clive, Elizabeth Kling, KCCI 8 News.
Now, the price to fill up at public pumps varies depending on the competition. There's just one in Central Iowa, in Grimes, where drivers will pay $1.99 a gallon. But in other states, it's down to just 88 cents. And by the way, next summer, GM is planning to release a Chevy Impala that runs on natural gas.